Shanghai Jian is a professional supplier of screw products, both in IFI and DIN standards, meaning including self-draining screw, self-taping screw, drywall screw, chipboard screw, wood screw, machine screw. We keep full range size of screws with different head types and drive types. The materials could be carbon steel, stainless steel, and so on. The finish could be zinc plated, yellow zinc plated, black phosphate, gray phosphate, and so on. We can also manufacture non-standard screws according to your specification, drawing, or samples. I would like to introduce our self-taping screws. The self-taping screws are widely used in metal and non-metal buildings. The size range of our self-taping screws could be number 4, 2.8 to 1/2 inch, and the normal materials is C1022 steel with heat treatment. The head type could be hex washer head, flat head, pan head, bugle head, modified truss head. The drive type could be Philip, snotted, Philip and snotted combination. This is flat head, Philip recess, self-taping screw. Yellow zinc plated. And this is hex washer head, self-taping screw. Assembling with bonded washer, zinc plated. And this is modified truss head, Philip recess, self-taping screw, zinc plated. We export quality self-taping screws to American market for more than 8 years and enjoyed a very good reputation. We are your reliable fastener supplier. Welcome to contact us anytime.